Hey folks, it's Bilal Amjad here and you're watching this video on www.bilalamjad.pw. Today our lesson is about some very useful marketplace controls for Windows 8 and Windows Phone application development. These controls are basically known as launchers and choosers. Sending email, SMS, making calls and giving reviews to the application are very useful and common controls which you will find in different applications. These controls are basically known as launchers and choosers and are available in the namespace microsoft.phone.task as you will see in the demonstration soon. There are many marketplace controls available in Visual Studio 13, but in our lesson here we are going to discuss 4 of them. The remaining you have to practice of your own. So let's create a new project. Remember, I am creating the blank application of Windows Phone Silverlight. Just name it as LNC. Launchers and choosers. You can give it any name. So let the Visual Studio create a new application. So here you have 2 options. Rather you have to select the platform, the operating system version Windows Phone 8 or 8.1. The difference is that if you are creating an application for Windows Phone 8.1, this will not be executed on the older versions like Windows Phone 8. So create your application in Windows Phone 8 so that the upgraded versions of operating system can support this application. So let's proceed. So here is the XAML code. We have to just remove the unwanted things to make the application more simpler, like this. Now I will use stack panel like this, and I will add 4 buttons in my application. Just copy and paste it. So I have added 4 buttons in my application. Now I have to register the events for each of them. For that, just right click, and the very good IntelliSense of Visual Studio will bring you an option to create the new event handler. Just press enter and it will create a click event handler against your button. Similarly, I will create the event handler for them also. So now if you want to view the XAML.cs file, the C# file, then no need to go to the Solution Explorer and just find your event handler and write the code there. Just go to the name of your event handler here and press F12, or just select this option, go to the definition. So you can see all the first of all, let me remove the unwanted things, unwanted code. So here are the event handlers method for those events which I have created in the XAML: the email click, SMS click, phone click, and review click. So let's give them a code. For email compose task, you have to there will be an error because I haven't used the namespace Microsoft.phone.task. So I am just creating the instance first. Now the IntelliSense will bring the option for you. This is the namespace where this task belongs to, like this. Email.subject, this is my email, and email.show. So this is the only 3-line code to create and to provide the email sending option to your user. You can find many other properties of email compose task if you just write the name of your instance and press dot subject to cc body bcc. These are different options you can use to enhance your application. So let's move towards the SMS. How we can send SMS is the namespace, the property or the of this namespace which we are going to use is SMS compose task. SMS is equal to new SMS compose task. SMS compose SMS dot, why this is disturbing me, SMS dot body. Here you will write the message which you want to send. Hello, this is my SMS, and just write SMS dot show. So this is how you can send SMS to someone. Now the next thing is phone. For phone call task, you have to use phone call task. Phone is equal to new phone call task. Phone number. Here you will define the phone number to whom you want to call. Suppose it's 9232499056. Phone dot the display name that should be displayed while making a call. So you might notice that this show property is, we are using this in every as a final statement of our code, because unless you are not using it, if you are not writing this one, this will not display the messages and these tasks on your cell phone screen. So this is important. Okay, now for review you have to use marketplace. Here is marketplace review task, review equal to new. And it's only the 2-line code. That's all. Now let's start our application. Here is my emulator. So let's send an email. With that I have clicked the send email. Can't share, there are no apps to show it. Actually if you will run this on the Windows Phone, this will work, but on emulator it is not working. Due to some reasons it will not work on the emulator, so the code is fine, no need to change it. This will work perfect on the Windows Phone. So let's send an SMS. So here's the, let me show you the code also. For that let me show you. Here is the code for sending SMS. Here is the body. You can define the two also, but write any name or number to whom you want to send this message and just send it. Okay, now going back to our application, and I want to make a call. Then just click the make call button and it will take you to the call functionality of this ID cap phone handler capability. This is actually the error which will come while making the call, because we haven't give the permission to our application to create the call. Let me tell you how we can overcome this problem, how we can allow the different capabilities to our application. In your Solution Explorer, go to the properties and just open this file, wm app manifest.xml. Here you will find different options, tabs. Actually the application UI, you can define icons and other spotted resolution, the tile images and many things, the display name also and the description. You have to go to the capabilities and you have to, here you can define the capabilities of your phone, that if your phone if your application is going to use the map, then you have to check this one. If it will go if it is going to detect the location of your user, you have to check this one. And these are the various options here available to you. And our error is about ID cap phone dialer, so we will check this and we will just, now our phone can create can make a call. Let's check this. I'm running the application again. Let me open the code file as well. So now I have when I click the button make call, now it's now the application is asking for the name, which I have display name and phone number that you want to call it or not. So I will give it a permission to make a call. Just click this call button and the application is making a call to Bilal Amjad with phone number 0322499562. Okay, moving back and call. And if I want to review, I want my users to give the review to my application, I have write a code, a true line code, this one for this purpose. Let me click the review button. So here a predefined user interface by Microsoft will be available to your viewers. They can just rate your application, they can just write their review, and they can submit whatever they want to write here. Submit. So this is how we can use the predefined Windows Phone tasks, the launchers and choosers to enhance our application. If you have any kind of question, you can ask me and view my website, visit my website, personal website www.bilalamjad.pw, and feel free to ask anything. Thank you for watching this video.